week ago today, we installed 2 brand new machines at 2 brand new locations. These are my very first locations ever. And it's going to be the very first time I go and pull out cash from my brand new vending machine business. It's very exciting. I really hope there's more than just $20. I really hope there's more than, maybe $40. $60 would sound kind of nice right about now. And it's been a week, and I haven't gone over there. I haven't restocked. I haven't done anything. And today we're not going to restock. Today we're just going to go check on the money in style. We're going to head on over in my motorcycle, see how much money we can pull out in 1 week, and see how this vending machine venture is going to go for us. Depending on what we need and depending on what type of inventory we need, we'll just write it down and we'll come back in a day. And then we'll do like another video of how much my vending machine made in a day. Wait for that one. And yeah, so let's go see what we made.
We're here. I'm just a little nervous to speak out loud.
Okay. This is the first floor. Reese's, M&M's, Snickers, Kit Kats, Twix. Everything should be fine except for this. I need this stocked.
So I'm trying to keep track of what to get, and the only thing that sold out was the honey buns. Everything else seems like it's okay. Doritos look fine, Fritos look fine, everything looks fine. Probably come back and restock on the hot Cheetos soon.
Second location. Nothing sold out.
I feel like you guys can tell that this is my first time opening up a cash bill acceptor. second location on the second floor. Candy looks good. Coffee cakes looks good. I don't think I have to refill any of that. Here, maybe some of the honey buns. Almond looks good. Compressed look good. I got honey buns there too. So the hot Cheetos. Everything still looks good. Maybe I should lower the price.
And just like that, we're done. We went over to the location. One of the machines gave me $21. The other machine gave me $59. So the grand total of 1 week's collection, just pulling out cash, you know, was $80 and I think like 50 cents. But that is amazing. I honestly thought I was just gonna get, you know, $20. It's brand new. Maybe people don't know that my machine's there. Maybe people are like used to seeing it and already bring in their snacks. So it's definitely nice to see that $80 can actually happen in a week. And let me know what you guys think. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the motorcycle ride. Let me know if you want to see more videos with the motorcycle or if you just prefer the car. I swear I have both. And leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.